Hi, this is the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. This is TFUEL cryptocurrency. The last time I reviewed this was the 5th of June, which was right there. So last time I reviewed this, that's what the chart looked like. My premise was for an upside breakout. Very strong upside, two legs, if you will, one or two legs, depending on what you think of that retrace. Lots of volume on the way up, which is a good thing. Long consolidation. And then also places that you would expect strength, retest of that air, and there's air all the way down here. So this air was going to provide support. This previous area of price action was going to provide support. And if price were to get down here, that was going to provide support. The only thing about price retracing all the way down here is that's not good. You want, ideally you want like a 50% retrace. So price went further. I think, that was the 5th of June right there. Price has gone back, retraced back a little bit more, and you have got a breakout there, and you've got that breakout on high volume. So that's good. So what I'm looking at now is, prices. Come on. Price has gone up, but hasn't gone too far, and you've got some weakness. There's a wick there, and the wicks happen where those wicks are. And that's okay, because this upside strength is greater than the downside strength. So just looking at this price action that's painted in, I still expect more upside. This is relatively weak downside. Hopefully it doesn't get this far back, because again, it's the same thing. That's more than a 50% retrace. Ideally you get another day of down action, and you get, say, a long wick there, and then upward price action and away. That would be good. That would be healthy. So I guess the thing to note here is that that previous analysis I did was correct. Retraced a little bit further than I expected, which is okay, and then you eventually did get your breakout. So 7-0 price is now at call it 10. So what's that? 30. It's almost 50% from this low, but I expect price to move higher here. Let's just go into the 3-hour bars. So yeah, now you're zoomed up on that level here. So I expect price to move up. It's currently retracing. Where would I expect the retrace to stall? It's right at sort of on the 3-hour bar. That's air there. So expect to see a pop soon. Remember, these are 3-hour bars. These aren't daily bars. So this action will paint in, fairly quickly relative to daily bars. So expect to see some buying support here. And, if you'd taken a position on the 5th, hypothetically, you're up. Maybe you want to take some more. I would wait to see buying pressure here, and I would be willing to take add to my position, if you will. Tomorrow, if you see strength that's bigger than these bars tomorrow, then that's also a potential indicator that it's not going to come back that far. There's not much of a there's not much of a pattern here. With this strength, I kind of expect this to just push up, come down into here, and basically just to push up. This is very strong. This is also, forget about this. This is one leg. You'll generally get two. So look for some sort of buying support there. If you've got 3-hour bars, or you can drill down, you know, more than a day or less than a day, and look for support in that area there. So yeah, also I just did a video on Ethereum, and I don't know the technicalities of how it works, but these are like subsidiary coins off the Ethereum network. So I would expect these to be very much linked to Ethereum, and Ethereum looks like it's on the cusp of an upside breakout after a really long period of consolidation. So that's another reason for strength here. Again, looking at this chart, you've got air here, and when prices come into this air, you're almost certainly going to get selling pressure, and you did get that selling pressure. So again, because my premise is on the upside here overall, we've had a fairly deep retrace, but I expect this air pocket here to be temporary selling pressure, and for price to come up. If everything goes well, it'll eventually test these highs up here, and then we can make an assertion as to what's going to happen after that. But yeah, my expectation is certainly eventually to see price back up here on this strength. This retrace is very deep, but you know, this strength here is indicative that we're moving up higher. So hopefully that's helpful. That's TFUEL. Please give the video a like and a thumbs up, and sorry, a like is a thumbs up. A like, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll have more videos out shortly. Thanks very much.